Okay, they just shoveled this. It is glare ice in the parking lot. But they're talking like wave 2 of the storm is gonna come tonight and into tomorrow. They're talking like another 4+ inches. What we already have. But tomorrow I gotta work. So, but if it's snowing like it's shown on the Weather Channel app, they're showing like it's gonna be snowing all day. But the weather WEU is saying differently. So I don't know. There's WEU is saying on and off. So, but my husband this morning was stuck over here where we had to get a shovel and push them out. We seen in this, just a funny thing, a school bus, a big school bus, if you can imagine it, being stuck. And then he was going literally sideways. You could not keep this school bus straight right there. A big long school bus. So, yeah. Right here. Oh yeah, the mailman's gonna have a fit about this, but they're gonna now if it is real slow tomorrow, Menards could send me home sooner than 4 p.m. Let me show you. That's how deep that snow is we got in here. So, yeah. So, alright, this now that we're inside, I'll tell you that like this. This I had gotten as a gift in the mail with something else I gotten. With a kimono that I gotten. And that's why I think I got 3 or 4 autographs from Daniel Colby. Because somehow we became, how do you say, on Instagram, friends on Instagram? I never met her, but she's on the TV show that I love watching, American Pickers. So I went and made this into a necklace. She used one and made it into a set of earrings, basically. But, you know, like I said, I got quite a bit of her autograph and pictures of her, literally. She does blur skew and that when she's not on American Pickers. No, I guess it sounds she got a house in Chicago, Illinois. But she also has, I guess, apparently a place to live in Puerto Rico. So, it's like, man, I wished I was able to do that, but, you know. It's a funny way of putting it. So, that's one friend I made over Instagram that I have never met in person. I would love to, though. I've made some friends on Instagram and I never met. Like I said, they're artists and that. Like, there's one that lives in Georgia. She gets awestruck when I post. She follows me on Instagram, of course. Which my Instagram is @Varner_Rocks. So, and I guess she gets all awestruck if I post any pictures of snow on it. She acts like she never seen snow, but she lives in Georgia. And then there are some people I've talked to, like that Momando. She's a nice one to talk to about art stuff. And she's from Italy. I guess she can talk Italian and English, which I find very interesting. Yeah. So, and that's the thing with, like, Danielle Colby and I. We can get into a good conversation on her own post sometimes if I feel like talking. And we can talk about antiques, and she really likes it. I hit it off the bat knowing exactly what the item is. And she'll say, oh yeah, that's correct. Yep. And we have a good conversation. I wouldn't mind being an antique dealer and making money like that, you know. Like I said, I'll never be on TV shows, but yeah. I mean, that is one friendship I've made online that is like, she does legitimately follow me on Instagram, which she is at Danielle American Picker. Something like that, but or you could search Danielle Colby, you know. Or it's Danielle Colby American Picker, but, you know. Yeah. Like I hate to say it, because I know she don't like people pretending to be her and stealing her photos, but it's like, I would highly recommend to her is for her to try to get her account on Instagram verified and getting a blue check. This way Instagram knows that she's a legit celebrity. I think I got one of the Storage Wars guys on Twitter that follows me. The auctioneer one on Storage Wars. So, yeah, that's pretty interesting, ain't it? It is very slippery out here. It's storming. Oh. Watch him go, watch him go, watch him go. Only in Wisconsin. It was like 30 degrees yesterday, 40, I think Saturday and Sunday. So, and it's still coming down.